We want to use the wall to hold our balance. And now same thing, roll your feet. So all I would do is put one foot in front of the other, like you're going to walk, and just roll your feet back and forth. You just feel that position move. So now you're adding your body weight, your load on your feet to add more sensation. Okay? Any questions about that? You want to allow your body to slowly move and smoothly move. When I say smooth, because I have some people that come in, they've had a hip problem, they've had hip surgery, they've had problems with a knee or a foot. So what happens over time, they start stomping instead of stepping. Does that make sense? Well, I told her name's Betty. Tell her, I don't want to hear you walk in. When I hear walk in, I'm hearing this. I'm like, no more of that. We're going to do this now. We're going to come here and roll our feet. I was teaching her probably about a month ago. Start rolling her feet. Because when you have an injury, you naturally want to support that other leg. Okay? Once you have an injury, we don't realize we're doing it. So I'm going to tell her, I don't want to hear your feet because I want to hear you practicing at home, rolling your feet through time. And one side, when you do this, you may feel more comfortable than the other one. You go like, this doesn't feel right. I'm not left-footed. All right. So you got to figure out what's going to work for you. You want to work the weakest one more. Why do you think that is? Why do you want to work your weak side?
To build it up.
Good. You want to build up that, not only the position and coordination and motion, but that nerve flow from your feet to your brain. That's why I look with the feet first, because that allows you to now maintain a better position once your feet in a good position. Okay? Any questions about that? So my feet are working well. Am I going to be more here or more back here? I'm going to feel comfortable here. Now my feet are working. Now I can stay back here more on my heels than on my toes when I'm standing, or when I'm walking, or moving around, or exercising. Okay? Even if I'm going backwards, I'm still going to feel I can hold my balance because now my body's working better. With physical therapy, for example, a lot of work with is ankle strength and movement. So by doing this exercise with loads, either sitting or standing, allows the ankles to move more and build up those muscle ligaments around the ankles and tendons. So you may feel when you do this, you may feel a little front shins, or tibial anterior front of your leg, or calf tightness, or even just where it feels a little achy. Okay, why do you think that is?
You're working it.
You're working it, and because when you move your foot, there's not a lot of muscles in the feet. All the muscles, what they do is come down from the calf or the front of the leg. They form a tendon that comes into the foot. So even though you're moving the foot and the ankle, the muscles are actually in your lower leg. So you want to feel them work more to make those muscles get stronger to hold your better balanced position and again prevent falling. Okay, any questions so far?